Day one. Literally done 10 miles and it's blown up. Listen to it. I don't know what has gone bang, but something's gone bang. There's oil everywhere, underneath, all over the floor, dripping out. That is not happy. So we're starting this video on my driveway, which wasn't really meant to be, because this Audi TT BAM that I just bought as a project car was a running and driving and working and well looked after and serviced and maintained car. I think I just blew the engine. So now we need to get it recovered from my driveway to the unit to find out what has gone bang. I hate this car already. So it might not be as bad as I thought. Listen to this. It's running, no crazy sound. Might not be blown up, because that, it's not making scary noises anymore, but a load of oil did come out. So what went bang? I'm going to shut it off because I don't want it running long, but it doesn't look too bad. We'll find out tomorrow. So it's Sunday and I stand before you a very, very confused man, because it went bang. I've never had a car. This was what happened when I'm driving along. I recorded it. Then you've got the sound here, and now I just drove down to the showroom, and when I checked the oil level, because I'm not an idiot, I thought I'll check it's got oil before I drive it down to the showroom. It's only a 5-minute drive. I thought I'll check it. It's overfilled, so there was too much oil in there, but all that oil came out. So I have no idea what is going on with this car, but it is, yeah, I'm not feeling it, but got to crack on, got to get things done. The boys in the workshop don't work on a weekend, so I thought I'll bring it down to the showroom and we'll crack on. And so far, so good. So let's have a... So yesterday, so we've got this side has all been paint corrected, polished. So I bought G-Technic ceramic coat, so we are going to ceramic coat the bodywork. So this side's looking, it's pretty nice. I mean, it's 23 years old. Debadged the TT, polished up the tips. Lights have got the tint spray on them, so they've been painted. They need to be polished, but the car looks a hell of a lot better, darker. I'll put a clip in, lighter and darker, maybe a picture. These wheels have got to go, I hate them. I've got some orange caliper paint, which I'll show you now. But I'll change those, so that will look good. So yeah, pretty much this side's done. I just need to ceramic coat it. I hate saying that. Got to cut the headlights today. See if we can heat gun those back to black. If not, I'm going to paint them. Got some masking tape. That just needs some trim restorer. And we can see here, this was the original. And this is where we're at now. So, let's do it like that. It's a bit different. So, let's crack on. Let's get the car looking its best, and then in the next video we're going to find out what went bang, and then we are going to start making this thing faster. I've seen these running 350 and I want to run that sort of power with it. So let's get it looking good, then we can get it going fast.
You don't know. Feeling fly or feeling low, put your energies on go. Let the rhythm take control, let it match up on your soul. Feeling fly, feeling low, put your energies on go. Let the rhythm take control, let it match up on your soul. What are you gonna do when the light come on and DJ play that tune? What are you gonna do when the world on pause and no one can play but us? What are you gonna do when you see no hope but you have to push on through? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What time left? And this me gonna do? Me have to put my shoes and rock on the soca tune. And this me gonna do? Me have to put my shoes and rock on the soca tune. And this me gonna do? Me have to put my shoes and rock on the soca tune. And this me gonna do? Me have to put my shoes and rock on the soca tune. I'm addicted to progress, no sleeping. Hustle till the money was stacking. Turn up the yard and no standing. Turn up the yard and no standing. I'm addicted to progress, no sleeping. Hustle till the money was stacking. Turn up the yard and no standing. Turn up the yard and no standing. What are you gonna do when the light come on and DJ play that tune? What are you gonna do when the world on pause and no one can play but us? What are you gonna do?
Is the polishing, the lights, rear lights polished. Check those. They've now been painted, now polished. And they just make the car look a little bit more modern from the back. Super happy with that. So next step, I've got to dust it all off because they're in all the little crevices. Got some touch-ups to do. Probably needs to be repainted. Looking really nice. Lights, I didn't use sandpaper, I just polished them. I think they look alright for now. Grille looks awesome. Lower grills are all heated and then use the plastic treatment. So yeah, next is ceramic. A few little touch-ups first, and then we will like the ceramic on the top, and this thing is going to start to look really, really awesome. Cool colour. So that's it guys, it's 5 PM on a Sunday. We've run out of time for this one. So awesome, the lights, the blacked wheels, the tips look awesome, ceramic coated, the paint looks awesome. I know it's a 23-year-old car, so it's never going to be absolutely perfect, but it pops so nicely. Headlights look a million times better, grills are all black. Yeah, for a 23-year-old car, I think it looks awesome. So the next video, we're going to find out what went bang. We're definitely going to order some parts, start modifying it, some new wheels, exhaust. We need to do an MOT, it expires in 2 days, so that's definitely going to fail. Loads of content on this one. And I've also bought another car for next week. So see you in the next one. Subscribe.